Hey, what's up IG Garage family? Picture this, you're driving along, everything feels fine, but suddenly you notice your engine isn't performing the way it should. The check engine light comes on, and after scanning, you see P0089. This code can lead to erratic fuel pressure, causing stalling, poor acceleration, and even engine damage. But don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to walk you through what this code means, where to find the issue, and how to fix it. Let's jump right in. So what does P0089 mean? This code refers to Fuel Pressure Regulator 1 performance. In simple terms, the engine control unit, or ECU, has detected a problem with the fuel pressure regulator's performance, which means it's not regulating fuel pressure correctly, leading to potential performance issues. Now let's talk about location. This is the important part. The fuel pressure regulator is typically located on the fuel rail, which is attached to the engine. In some cases it may be near the fuel tank, but more commonly, you'll find it in the engine bay near the intake manifold. Here's the fuel rail, and right here is the fuel pressure regulator. Its job is to maintain a steady fuel pressure going to the injectors. If this regulator isn't functioning properly, it can cause inconsistent fuel delivery, leading to poor engine performance and triggering the P0089 code. If you're getting the P0089 code, you might notice rough idling, poor acceleration, or even stalling. These are signs that the fuel pressure isn't being regulated correctly. Left unchecked, it could lead to more serious issues like poor fuel economy or even damage to the fuel pump. To fix this, start by inspecting the wiring and connectors to the fuel pressure regulator. Make sure there are no loose connections or damaged wires. If everything looks fine, the next step is to test the fuel pressure and see if the regulator is functioning properly. If the regulator is faulty, you'll need to replace it. After replacing it, clear the P0089 code with your OBD2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to make sure everything's running smoothly again. And that's how you fix a P0089 code and restore your car's performance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. And before you go, make sure to check out these two videos to dive deeper into fuel system issues. First, watch our video on P0087, where we cover low fuel rail pressure issues, and don't miss our P0088 video on high fuel rail pressure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.